What is up, Jordan Nation? I'm your host, Keller Keemstar. Let's get right into the vlog. Out of Milan, Como. We don't know where to go, guys.
No, we are not in Lake Como.
We are now near Lake Como. So guys, we have actually got had coffee. No, it was ice cream. Coffee. We're coffee and ice cream. They don't have iced coffee here. What we're trying to do is we're trying to go to the lake, Lake Como.
Now we're getting espresso.
Now we're getting espresso. It's about 103 degrees outside today, so. Found the lake. Big agua.
I was about to say that.
Something about the city, man. It brings out the best of me. Let's go get some jet skis and go eat some hamburgers and hit the lake. Really cool.
Like, what the
It really reminds me of North Carolina. Why are the pigeons the exact same in New York and in Milan? How did they get here, by the way? They fly over the ocean? I didn't want that. Oh wait, we finished it. Day 2. Guys, what is up? Jordan and I closed the blinds last night. Woke up at 8:30 to an alarm, and Jordan goes, turn it off. And now we just woke up, and it is now 4:03. Lizzie Lou is here. She was already up, so that's on us. And we're gonna go explore Milan.
1, 2, 3, jump!
So Liz took us to some super Italian. No, she's freaking out because it's American or something, whatever. Liz got a feather in her yacht. I got a bunch of dots in my yacht.
I wanted to bring them to a really Italian place with like all the cool cappuccinos and stuff and all the pastries, and I literally brought them to the most touristy, like Italian.
And it'd be like that. It feels like home. We're at home.
Yeah, I failed. Sorry.
I am very dehydrated. Holy shit. I am a little dehydrated.
He's dying. Imagine if you were filming the vlog.
Alright guys, so we're going to I'm full. Alright. Alright guys, what's gonna happen? We're gonna get a bunch of birds around me. And the thing about these birds is when they see the food, they get together and they gossip. These birds love to gossip. Jesus! That one flew right over my head. Oh, they're coming by the storm. They're gossiping, man. I gotta gossip a lot. Jesus. Think about these birds.
Stand.
Oh my! I'm the bird whisperer. I'm the bird whisperer. Oh my! Keep talking. They get these birds. They like to get around. These family birds. They like to gossip a lot. I'm the bird whisperer. Disinfecting the cut because I might have I'm afraid to get chlamydia from these birds. These birds, like I was saying, I learned a lot about birds, and what I've learned about birds is once you start feeding them, these birds, they get together and they gossip.
Jane's been acting really weird ever since the bird interaction. Yeah, right? It's weird.
What's happened to me? Yo guys, you guys should all subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm very sweaty. I have a new bracelet. It's new, right? I got Lizzie Lou and bird hands. Sorry for even touching you. All right guys, that's it for today's vlog. I don't even want to fist you with these hands, but I'll catch you Wednesday actually. You guys on my socials, I'm kind of very sweaty, but instead of fisting you, I'm gonna noggin ya.
Hey, I'm sipping this bottle. Hope I don't hurt it all. Yeah, pass me the blunt. Boy, I'ma put it on. Got a bit on the floor, but I just fucked on this model. I always be stoned, and I ain't talking about Cabo. My bitch do the wobble dance. My pocket's not hollow bands. Your bitch is annoying, scram.